Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holly Jolly July video. Today I have a really cute insert card for you. This is my Peace and Joy insert card. How pretty is that? With that really nice wreath there, you have Peace and Joy on the inside. There's a spot there for your message, and of course it includes an envelope as well. Now this card can be made with any Cricut cutting machine. Just make sure that you pick which option is right for you. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make this card with the Cricut Maker 3. If you have another machine, make sure to take a look at the written tutorial. That way you'll be able to follow basic instructions for your specific machine. This card is really easy to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. So let's go ahead and take a look at our materials and get started. Alright, for this project we're going to need our Cricut cutting machine, our standard or light grip cutting mat, our scoring wheel or scoring stylus, our weeding tool, brayer, scraper, glue, and our cardstock. Now that we have all of our materials, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Holly Jolly July 2024. If you're watching this video when the project debuted, you can go to the event page and download the cut file there. If you have a VIP access pass, the download button will be below this video. If you're watching this video after the event has concluded, you can find the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. If you're interested in the VIP Access Pass, that gives you full access to the entire event, as well as printable worksheets, commercial licensing, as well as bonus cut files, head to thebeardedhousewife.com/HJJ24. No matter how you get the cut file, make sure that you download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we'll be ready to open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's find the envelope. Go ahead and click on this icon to drop down the layers. Highlight the score lines. Change those to score. Highlight the group and attach. We need to do the same thing for the card base. Now that we've converted the score lines for the envelope and for the card base, we can go ahead and click Make It. And you can see the different mats for this card. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, now that I have everything all cut out, it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to fold and burnish along the score lines of our card base. And now I'm going to open up the card base and feed the insert through the slits. Just like that. I'm going to set that to the side just for a moment. Let's go ahead and make our envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Let's take our inlay panel. Go ahead and add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip the inlay over and place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin that envelope around, bring those side flaps in, add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. How easy was this card to make? I love that front design, it's really pretty. You could totally change this up, maybe use blue instead of green and make it into a Hanukkah card. There are so many different possibilities and I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you share it with me. Whether that be through email or through our Facebook group, I would love to see your creations. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Holly Jolly July video. Bye!